London-headquartered mobile phone manufacturer INQ focuses on affordable mid-range smartphones that have social networks at the heart of the device. For a new entrant, INQ have already shook the market and won top prize at the GSMA Global Mobile Awards with their first and only handset, the INQ One, popularly described as the Facebook phone. This week, they took home another award for Best Handset at the MEFIs, held by the Mobile Entertainment Forum. CEO Frank Meehan tells us one of the reasons behind their success is that the rest of the industry is too busy chasing Apple to come up with their own unique offering.
Apple has been incredibly smart that with the latest iPhone, they didn't need to go all out. They didn't need to go and do a huge step. They just needed to do some incremental stuff because frankly, they're so far ahead of the rest of the market that they didn't have to. So now in 12 months' time, they might do something extremely cool by the time everyone's caught up, and then everyone spends another 3 years trying to catch them up again. So, you know, the rest of the market in the smartphone category is just chasing after people who kind of either can't afford an iPhone or don't want an iPhone for some particular reason, which in that end of the market is pretty small.
INQ plans on launching more reasonably priced phones that connect users with their social networks before year end, one which will include an internet-based Twitter client.
So there's two phones coming. And the basic idea is to expand the range and just a lot kind of cooler phones, but with great software that's really simple to use. You know, Twitter exploded out of mobile, so it's a natural place for it to be. People love the idea of using Twitter. I think, you know, Twitter is something that amongst a hardcore usage of followers is people love at the moment. And I think it's early days for it in mobile.
INQ sees the advantage of adding compelling mobile services to drive take-up of data for operators.
I think, you know, the rise of SIM-only in the UK, you know, it's gone from 0 to 30% of the market. It simply says that phones are pretty boring right now. There's no real reason to buy a phone. It does voice and text, it's got a camera, it kind of does, you know, people aren't really interested. And this actually gives people a real reason to go and get a phone again. That's what we're finding, and the usage stats on the INQ One, our first handset, are amazing. You know, like 65% of the base is using Facebook, and 50% is using Windows Live Messenger, 30% is using email, which is on a 12-key sort of T9 type device. It's pretty cool. So get some nice designs in there and some new functionality like Twitter and everything added to it. You know, and get some nice devices out there.